Hi everyone, my name's Brandon and I'm a member of the hardware team here at SolutionsPT.
Hi there, my name's Harry. I'm also a part of the hardware team here at SolutionsPT. This video is just to give you a little bit of insight into the TXOne Portable Inspector. The TXOne is essentially a portable antivirus scanner which is great for any company that has networks that are offline or isolated. These are usually very hard to be patched, and that's why this is great for those environments.
So this small USB stick can be used for malware scanning and removal on any Windows or Linux device simply by plugging it into the USB ports without the need to install any software. So the first thing you want to do is update the virus definitions through the management program on the device that you originally set up the USB on. And as you can see, ours is already up to date. Next, you want to plug the USB into the device that you want to scan and run the launcher to open the portable inspector. Then press the Scan Now button and the virus scanning should begin. So once you start the scan, the lights on the USB will start flashing. Once the scan is complete, the lights will indicate the status of the scan. After that, it will automatically store a log which you can export and save for auditing purposes. And then back in the management program, you can see that there's a tab that holds all the exported scan logs and reports, including any threats that were found for each one. So that was just a quick summary of the TXOne Portable Inspector and how you can use it.
We hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.